feel like overwhelmed.
Alright, so would you like to greet your family and supporters?
I want to thank my family for supporting me all throughout this journey. Without them, I can't make it. I can't make it.
Alright, here we go. So pick the number of your picture. Alright, she picked picture number 11.
That picture shows is social media. Social media is a powerful tool because it can help us to make our life easier in school and even our job. However, it can destroy our mind. As a candidate standing here tonight, I will use my voice in promoting truth over trends because I believe our world online carry real world impact. Thank you.
Alright, very well said, candidate number 1. Alright, makakauna ka na, candidate number 1. And we continue with candidate number 2. Alright, so for the information of everybody, candidate number 2 is not really feeling well. Umiiyak na po sa likod si candidate number 2. Pero here she is, palagpakan natin, lumalaban. Alright, so laban lang tayo candidate number 2. So pick now the number of your picture. Alright, she picked picture number 3.
That picture shows education. Ang education, ito ay ang education, ito ay tumutukoy sa ang education, ito ay tumutukoy ang education ito ay patungo sa ating kinabukasan and I thank you.
Alright, there you go. Thank you so much. Candidate number 2. Lumaban sa candidate number 2. Alright, we continue with candidate number 3. Alright, ay, supporters ni candidate number 3. Alright, so how are you, candidate number 3? Would you like to greet your family, friends, and supporters?
Thank you so much ako mga classmates ni Anton, ako mga family, and ako mga relatives nga na-adriel sa mga nagsuporta sa ako. Thank you guys.
Your support matters to our candidate number 3. So pick now the number of your picture. Again, I am reminding everyone to please stay quiet while our candidates are answering the question. Alright, she picked picture number 10.
The picture shows AI, that means artificial intelligence. It is a powerful tool that enhances our life by making tasks more efficient and accessible. As a student and as a youth, we should use AI to support us, not replace us. Thank you.
Alright, there we go. Thank you so much, candidate number 3. And now, we continue with candidate number 4. Alright, hello, candidate number 4. So, sino kasama mo ngayon dito?
aming pamilya. Thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin.
Alright, I'm doing fans sa candidate number 4. Alright, so pick now the number of your picture. Alright, she picked picture number 9.
That picture shows mental health. Mental health is a means giving Ang mental health ay
Sango naman. Hangin ito. Mental health nowadays the most.
mental health. For me, mental health means having the strength, like for your body and mind. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 4. Diligid-dali natin sa tubangan, so let's give respect to our candidates. Alright, let's have candidate number 5. Studying in her gold gown. Alright, so how are you, candidate number 5?
Very happy to be on the stage again. I am very thankful for those supporters there. Special person that is in my heart.
Alright, so thank you so much sa pamilya ni candidate number 5. Alright, pick the number of your picture, candidate number 5. Alright, she picked picture number 6.
Our vice
That
president.
picture shows about Sara Duterte. She is our 17th and current Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. She is a leader who embodies integrity and a strong willingness to serve all Filipinos, especially in empowering women. She stands as a leader in a family of men who are also leaders in their own right. And as a candidate, I am inspired by our leaders like VP Sara Duterte to remind every woman, we are not just dreamers, we are doers. And we are not just voices, we are power. And together, we will rise like any other. And that will be all. Thank you.
Alright, and we continue with candidate number 6. Alright, so candidate number 6, sino ang nandito ngayon to support him?
And my friends and family. I would like to thank my family and all my supporters. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much. So now pick the number of your picture.
Huh?
Alright, she picked picture number 5.
Justice. Come on. Justice.
Gender equality. Gender equality means giving equal rights, respect, and opportunity to everyone. Whether you're a man, woman, or part of LGBTQ community, I believe we will treat people fairly, we build a kinder and more united society. Because I believe everyone deserves to be respected and valued for who they are. And that would be all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 6. And now we continue with candidate number 7. Alright, how are you? Sige, bating ato karon candidate number 7.
I feel great and I feel so loved because I can see my support system out there, my family, my parents, as well as my friends cheering for me. I hope I make them proud.
Yay, make them proud. Ngayon pa lang, proud na sila sa'yo. Alright, so pick the number of your picture. Alright, hinga ng malalim. She picked picture number 1.
That picture shows Sangguniang Kabataan Movement. Sangguniang Kabataan is a channel that offers numerous activities for a progressive youth and an instrument that encourages active participation in the community for the prosperity of ourselves and for our one and only Barangay Tagapuli. Thank you.
8.
To be honest, I am so nervous, but I am feeling grateful to be back in this stage together with my support system, my family, my neighbor. Thank you so much for supporting me.
Alright, she's feeling grateful. Alright, so candidate number 8, pick the number of your picture. Alright, she picked picture number 7.
That picture is a reminder that climate change is real and happening around us. In Barangay Tagabuli, we experience its impact through changes in environment and natural resources. As a youth, I believe that through simple action like planting trees, proper waste disposal, and spreading awareness, we can build a better, brighter, and safer future for our community. And that's all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 8. And now we continue with candidate number 9. Alright, so how are you candidate number 9? Nasa debate nga ito karon?
Feeling good.
Yeah, feeling good. Alright, so kasi haad din to support you.
My families and my friends from Guru family.
Ayun, alright. So now, candidate number 9, please pick the number of your picture. Alright, so pick picture number 2.
That picture shows illegal drugs. We all know illegal drugs are dangerous. They not only affect the person using them, but also the families and communities around them. That's why I encourage everyone to say no to drugs, yes to sport. Sport teach us discipline, teamwork, and especially good health. Let's choose a healthy life over a harmful one. Thank you.
Alright, no to drugs, yes to sports. Thank you so much, candidate number 9. And now let's proceed to candidate number 10. Alright, how are you, candidate number 10? Sa itong debate karon akong baan.
To be honest, sir, I am so nervous and my whole body is shaking, but because of the carry and the support from the crowd, I feel like I'm unstoppable.
Yeah, unstoppable. Alright, here we go. Pick the number of your picture. Alright, she picked picture number 8.
Ay, nagkampo.
The picture shows about teenage pregnancy. And as a proud youth of Barangay Tagabuli, it breaks my heart to know that our barangay has the highest rate of teenage pregnancy based on the survey of Municipal Health Office. It's not about the number, it's a call for action, compassion, and responsibility. And if given a chance, I will launch awareness program and conduct school talks and encourage open conversation between parents and teens, because I believe when youth guided with love and understanding, we're not just stop the teenage pregnancy, but to build a stronger dreams, a brighter future, and a better Tagabuli.
Alright, objective, Tagabuli. Thank you so much, candidate number 10. And now let's have candidate number 11. Alright, so how are you, candidate number 11? Kamusta?
Actually, I'm feeling nervous and overwhelmed at the same time because of my supporters here, my neighbors, families, friends. Thank you for your support.
Alright, so pick the number of your picture, candidate number 11. Alright, thank you so much, SK Kagawad Miles. Maraming salamat. Alright, so si pick the last picture number 4. Picture number 4.
That picture shows the harsh reality that many children are suffering from poverty. And I believe this is because lack of education, economic instability. And I believe, and as a candidate, I will use my voice to raise awareness and encourage everyone to value education. Because I believe that through education, we can build a better and brighter future. And that will be all. Thank you.
Our better and brighter future. Thank you so much, candidate number 11. And ladies and gentlemen, that concludes
That's
our
why it is
picture
Spaniard.
analysis segment. Palakpakan ba natin our candidates? They were able to manage to explain and answer the picture. Alright, so at this point, we now proceed to one of the most exciting parts of the program, the announcement of special and minor awards. So may we call in